Welcome to another video of my channel. Hope you like this video. Let's get started. Let's start this read aloud. Puppies. Watch animals grow. A mother dog gives birth to puppies. She licks the puppies. They start to breathe. Newborn puppies cannot see or hear. They can smell their mother. They stay close to their mother. Puppies drink milk from their mother. Milk helps puppies grow strong. Puppies grow quickly. Soon they open their eyes. Puppies grow teeth. Now they can eat puppy food. Puppies bite and chew to clean their teeth. Puppies run and play. Puppies sleep a lot. Sleeping helps them grow. Puppies can leave their mother after 8 weeks. This new happy puppy has a new home. Bye. I hope you liked this video.